Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Roundpoint Your Home app works and what you can expect if you're using it to manage your mortgage. We'll break down its features, pros, and cons so you can decide if this app is right for you. Roundpoint's Your Home app is designed to help users manage their mortgage accounts from a mobile device. Once you log in, you can view your loan details, track payments, and manage your bank information. The interface is fairly simple and focuses on basic functionality like checking balances, making one-time payments, or setting up auto-pay. For new users, the onboarding process is straightforward. Your account is typically recognized automatically if your mortgage has been transferred to Roundpoint. One of the app's strong points is its ease of use when making payments. Several users noted that setting up monthly payments is quick and efficient. If your mortgage has just been moved to Roundpoint, the app will generally allow you to start managing payments without needing additional support. The app is compatible with most banking institutions, and payment confirmations are typically sent out within minutes of submission. Notifications and reminders help you avoid missing due dates, which adds a layer of convenience. However, the app has received mixed feedback, especially regarding reliability. A number of users report issues when trying to schedule payments online. Sometimes the system fails to process the payment correctly, leading to duplicate charges. Customer support in these cases has been described as slow and unhelpful, which can be frustrating if your mortgage payment is delayed or charged more than once. Others mentioned that the app occasionally crashes or doesn't reflect recent changes to payment methods or bank account updates. Another commonly reported issue is the inability to manage bank account information effectively. Users have said that removing or updating outdated bank accounts can be unnecessarily complicated. In some cases, attempts to change payment settings led to failed transactions or confusion around the auto draft feature. This can make it risky for users who rely on the app for automatic payments and expect it to work flawlessly month to month. While Roundpoint's app can simplify mortgage management, its technical shortcomings and inconsistent support can't be ignored. If you're looking for a basic app to view balances and make occasional payments, it might work well for you. But if you need full control over your account and expect reliable automation, you may want to proceed with caution or consider managing your mortgage through the web platform instead. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.